Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS and we are going to study chapter number 12. So, take out your books and open page number 5959. The name of the chapter is Festivals and Fun Days. You know what are festivals? Festivals are special days where we all meet, we celebrate with each other. Now, before explaining this chapter, let me show you a short clip of this chapter.
Rahul and his sister were having a conversation on the different types of festivals in India. He was not able to understand the difference between the national festivals and the religious festivals. His sister was trying to explain to him that the whole nation celebrates the national festivals and religious festivals are celebrated by the people of different religions. Rahul's grandmother, who was sitting close by, was listening to this conversation. She said, "Do you know that in our country we have many religions and people from different religions have their special festivals. These festivals are called religious festivals. They are Eid, Christmas, Guru Purab, Holi, Diwali, Dussehra, etc. Every religious festival may have a different story, but they have the same message to convey. For all the religious festivals, we clean our homes and decorate them, make goodies to share with our friends and relatives, exchange gifts, wear new clothes, and forget and forgive all old and unpleasant experiences." Rahul was really curious now. He wanted his grandmother to tell him something about these festivals. His grandmother was only too pleased to do that. She started. "Eid is the religious festival of the Muslims. They wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray. They cook lots of delicacies and a sweet dish called Sevai ki Kheer and share it with their family and friends. Christmas is the religious festival of the Christians. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. The Christians decorate their houses, exchange gifts, wear new clothes, and cook lots of yummy food. They decorate the Christmas tree with lights, toys, sparkling balls, candies, etc. They sing Christmas carols and share their joy with everybody around them. People from all the religions love to have the scrumptious Christmas cake. Guru Purab is the religious festival of the Sikhs. The birthday of Guru Nanak, the founder of the Sikh religion, is celebrated on this day. Kadha Prasad is distributed and langar is served. The birthday celebrations last for 3 days, generally 2 days before the birthday. Akhand Path is performed in the Gurdwaras. 1 day before the birthday, a procession is organized. The procession passes through the main roads and streets of the town. The people are informed of the message of Guru Nanak. Holi is celebrated all over India with color, music, dance and bonfires and sweets. It marks the beginning of summer. It celebrates the end of the cold winters and the successful harvest of the winter crop. For Hindus all over the world, Holi is also celebrated for the victory of good over evil. symbolized in the story of Prahlad, the young boy who overcame evil and tyranny by his complete faith in Lord Vishnu. Dashera. The story of Dashera is about the victory of good over evil. The evil demon Ravan had kidnapped Ram's wife Sita when they were in exile in the forest. And Dashera is the day when Ram killed Ravan and won back his wife Sita. This day is also called as Vijayadashami. In some parts of our country, Vijayadashami is the culmination of a puja of 4 days of the Hindu goddess Durga. Durga Puja is also celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. Diwali. This festival of lights is held in honor of Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth and prosperity. Hindus pray to Lakshmi to bring them good luck in the coming year. The story of Diwali goes like this. Prince Ram and his wife Sita were banished for 14 years from their home in Ayodhya. Ram's brother Lakshman goes with them to live in a forest. After they completed 14 years in the forest, the people of Ayodhya lit diyas in rows to guide them back from the forest to Ayodhya. On their return, Ram was crowned the king. These are some of the religious festivals celebrated in our country.
Children, I hope you must have enjoyed this video clip. Now, there are some more festivals which are known as national festivals. Now, we will study each festival one by one. You will put the finger where I am reading. Okay? A festival is a special day. On this day, we wear new clothes, pray, eat tasty food, etc. I told you festivals are special days. We enjoy, we meet each other, we eat good things, we wear new clothes. Yes or no? Okay. We celebrate many festivals in India. In the early part of the year, we celebrate Republic Day. The Republic Day is a national festival. Children, you know one thing? Throughout the year, we celebrate festivals. From beginning of the year, we celebrate Republic Day. You know when is Republic Day celebrated, on which day? Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January. You can see a picture, a family is watching Republic Day celebration on a TV because parade takes place on this day in Delhi. Now, next festival is Holi. In February or March, we celebrate Holi. We play with watercolors or gulal and eat gujia. You know children, Holi is the festival of colors. What we do? We play with gulal, we play with watercolors, we color each other, we say happy Holi, we wish each other, and what we eat? We eat gujia on this day. Now moving further. Yes, this is the fact. Now let's see the fact. The birthdays of the 10 Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purabs. People visit Gurudwaras on this day. Now the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus are called Guru Purab. And where do people visit on this day? People visit to Gurudwaras, and as a dish what they eat? They eat prasad over there. Now let's see. On August 15, every year we celebrate Independence Day. This day is a national festival. We host the national flag in school. Children, when you come to school on 15th August, what we do? We host a flag, na? It's an Independence Day and it's a national festival. Now, next. People fast for 30 days before celebrating Eid. They greet each other Eid Mubarak. Everyone eats sevai and biryani. Children, 30 days of fasting is before celebrating Eid is known as Ramzan. People fast for 30 days, and after that they wear new clothes, they celebrate Eid, they greet each other, and what they eat? They eat biryani and sevai. Now, in October or November comes for the festival of lights, Diwali. People decorate their homes with diyas and lights. They worship goddess Lakshmi. Everyone enjoys and eats sweets. You know children, I think Diwali is your favorite festival also, because Diwali is the festival of lights. Children love Diwali because you fire crackers over there, we eat sweets, we decorate our homes with lights. On this day, we worship goddess Lakshmi. Now, in December, we celebrate Christmas. 25th December is the birthday of Jesus Christ. His birthday is celebrated as Christmas. People decorate Christmas trees, they visit the church, they exchange gifts. Now children, as I told you, throughout the year we celebrate festivals. In December we celebrate Christmas. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On 25th December, people decorate their homes, people decorate Christmas trees, they greet each other and they exchange gifts. After Christmas, next is birthday. Birthday is no less than festival. We enjoy our birthday, we feel so special, so happy. We call our friends at home, we eat so many dishes on birthday. Let's have a look on this line. A birthday is a fun day. Yes, I told you na, it's a special day for us because it's our birthday. So, it's a fun day for us. Come, let us plan your birthday party. You can see children are planning a birthday party and they are enjoying. What we do on birthday? We eat so many dishes, we party together, we have fun, we play games with our friends. Now children, I hope you must have enjoyed learning this chapter with me. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.